Ranveer Singh on Tuesday said that the treatment of his upcoming film Jayeshbhai Jordaar, about a man on the run from his overbearing father to save his unborn girl child, is similar to Charlie Chaplin's films, where a pertinent social issue is highlighted in an entertaining way. Directed by debutant filmmaker Divyang, the upcoming social comedy revolves around Singh's Jayeshbhai, the son of a village head who is under pressure from the family to produce a male heir. What I found amazing in Chaplin's film is that you can't stop laughing, but it is talking about something tragic. This would only happen in Charlie Chaplin's films. That is what resonated with me most about this film. Charlie Chaplin had once said, "To truly laugh, you have to take your pain and play with it." That is what I love about tragic humor. I find it funniest because under the humor and entertainment lies something that is all too real, the actor said at the trailer launch of Jayeshbhai Jordaar. In addition to Ranveer Singh, Jayeshbhai Jordaar also stars Arjun Reddy fame actor Shalini Pandey, Boman Irani and Ratna Patak Shah. It is set to release theatrically on May 13th.